to join me on the HMS cruise lines. You need a passport in order to get on the ship, so go grab yours. Whoa, did that take a while, but I found it. I found my passport, and this is what you need in order to embark on the ship. So they'll be checking your picture out and making sure that expiration date is current, because that happened to me. So that's it.
Cruisers, welcome to HMS Camp Cruise. I'm Miss Margie, and I know that you saw Miss Chris at the beginning. This week at Camp Cruise, we are going to be learning about different places that cruises sail to. Then we're going to learn about all the people that work on the cruise to keep us safe while we're sailing. And we're also going to take a look and learn about different cruise terms while you're on the boat. So, let's go!
Where in the world is Miss Margie and Miss Chris? We're on a cruise. What is a cruise? A floating vacation. Everybody stays on the ship for a week, and the ships stop at different ports on mainland or islands. What is a ship? A ship is a large boat that can carry passengers or cargo over long distances, like an ocean. What is a port? A town or a city with a harbor where ships embark or disembark. That means people can get on and off the ship to visit the new places. They visit islands and different continents and mainland countries. We have a craft for you today. Miss Margie is going to show you how to make a cruise ship. It's pretty simple, but it's a way to get started.
So the supplies that you will need is a pair of scissors that you can use to fit your fingers. You're also going to need either a glue stick or glue in the bottle. So really you just need two supplies. I am going to now show you how to put the ship together. I'm going to take my piece of paper, that's the bottom of the boat. I'm going to use my glue stick. Sometimes I think that's a little easier. What I can do, you can put it on your paper in a circle, but what I like to do is I like to glue the pieces on the back and then stick it on the paper. Okay, just like that. And we're going to be spacing these pieces of paper just like this. So let me continue to do my gluing. Oops. And so, just like that. Boys and girls, we now need to have an anchor. All ships have an anchor, and we're going to be talking about some of these terms, like anchor and what it's used for sometime during this week. So let's go ahead and let's glue our anchor on.
Wait, Miss Margie, look at your hat. What do you have on your hat?
Oh my goodness, boys and girls, Miss Chris is right. What do I have on my hat? I have an anchor.
Hey!
That is so funny, Miss Chris. Thank you for pointing that out.
Oh, anytime.
You're the best friend. Listen, we are now going to put our anchor on, and boys and girls, I'll probably send you a smaller anchor. So my anchor is a little bit big, and here you have your ship. Now, something else you can do. You can have your parents take a picture of you, and you can have them put it on the computer, and then they can minimize you, and then you can put it through the printer, and then your parents can help you do this, but you can cut yourself out of the piece of paper from your photo, and you can put yourself. All right.
Like it, Miss Margie.
You're
Thank
welcome.
you.
And you know what, boys and girls? I'm already having fun. Aren't you, Miss Chris?
I am. I can't wait to go explore with you, Miss Margie.
Me too. All aboard.
Oh, see you next time. Ahoy, mateys. Today we're going to read a book about going places on a boat. It's by Robert M. Hamilton. Let's begin. Boats move on water. Okay, like a lake or an ocean. Some boats are slow and some boats are very fast. That's more my style, the canoeing, kayaking. The front of a boat is called the bow. What shape does that look like? That's right, it's a triangle. The back of a boat is called the stern. I guess that looks like a half moon, half circle. Some boats have sails, and these boats need wind to move. They're always so pretty to look at. And then some sails are squares and some are triangles. These are pretty cool looking. They remind me of pirate ships. Some boats need oars, and an oar is a kind of pole. That's my style of boat. I remember fishing up in Canada on a boat like that. People push the oars in the water and they row the boat. Hopefully you have more than just one person on the boat. People use boats to catch fish. Yep, it's a good time to go fishing early in the morning. A ship is a big boat, and many people can fit on a ship. And that's kind of like our cruise ship that we're enjoying this week, HMS Cruise Lines. And that is the end of our book. So I will see you tomorrow when we pull into a harbor. See you then.